Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and Curtis is out doing chores tonight, which makes it time available for me to be able to sit in here and do some fun things. And today is day 6 of Open Gate Quilts Countdown to Christmas box. I continue to sing Open Gate's praises. We are not absolutely endorsed by them. We pay for everything that we get from Open Gate. We pay market price. We don't get any special discounts or anything like that. We're just a regular customer. I just happen to like Open Gate, been very happy, satisfied with customer service, quality, all that. Saying that, I've been really happy with the quality and the things that have landed in this box. And I think that's been really cool. What I think is even more cool is we figured out today that apparently our unboxing for day 4, I believe, was actually day 8. And some reason our 4 and 8 got reversed. So when we get to day 8 and I open day 8, it was really day 4 that you've already seen. And what you saw as our day 4 is apparently day 8. I know that because Monique at Open Gate Quilts happened to see our video, which just means a lot that they're even watching our video. And, we have just right at 600 followers. So, it's not like we're a huge presence out in the YouTube world. But with that said, she reached out to me to make sure that we understood. Apparently something either got mislabeled, mismarked, changed in the box somehow. But the real concern was, did we have the other item we were supposed to have? So I don't know what that is because I've not opened it. But when I talk about a quality group and a quality customer service and that's what we're talking about. Someone that just happened to see the video and their real concern was, is the other item in the box? Do you have it? And will you have it to do the unboxing when you get to day 8? And so that just means a lot. That's just, to me, just says everything about who they are and what they are doing as an organization in building their business and their reputation in the community. That said, I want to open the gift, all right? So we're on day 6 with them. Again, they've wrapped every gift. It's cute. Missouri Star does a lot of really nice stuff, right? And specialty stuff. I like that Open Gate has actually taken the time. Someone actually had to sit down and wrap this, tape it, put this together, and then put this cute tree on there that, again, someone had to make and put the stickers on and all that. This just says a lot, right? It's just like, hey, you're just, this box meant something to us. With that said, let's open day 6. And I get to open it tonight because Curtis isn't here. And oh my goodness, it is Tilted Presents by Open Gate Quilts, and it is a wall hanging. So let's bust open this baby and see what is exactly in here. Because look, how cute is that paper too, right? I love this paper. Let's see what's in here. This looks like it's a wall hanging, and it is, how adorable, right? Look how cute. And we got all the fabrics and everything to go with that. So this will absolutely be a project that we will work on, that we will get knocked out. It is called, it comes with the charm pack, and the charm pack is a Moda charm pack called Christmas Eve. And look at all the different plaids, berries and holly, just red dots, candy canes. It's got some really cute gray fabrics, fa la 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 la. A really nice charm pack, along with the accent pieces that we need, right? So really like this. And I believe they actually build and put together their own kits. So how adorable is that? That's going to be really cool. So could not be any more excited. They had already sent us the Tied with Bows kit for us to do as a project. Like I said, we are trying to wrap up from the Christmas mode, and we'll end up doing these projects over the spring, summer. But I can tell you, this is absolutely a project that will end up, that will get done in this household, and hopefully may end up staying in this household. So a lot of things that we do, we gift out or we put out on our Etsy store and that. But definitely like this one. So again, Open Gate Quilts knocked it out of the ballpark again. Could not be happier, could not be more excited, and will be very anxious to learn and test my skills in getting this assembled and getting this put together. So with that said, thanks for dropping in. My name is John. You landed in Guys Craft 2. And until next time, happy crafting.